Okay, so for this exercise, you will be able to apply all the newly learned knowledge to light the shots we will look at in a few seconds. The goal would be to run through the entire pipeline, from stitching HRIs to setting up the template, light rig, and creating slab comps and presenting them at the mentor session. I wouldn't expect you to render full sequences of these shots, rather choose first, middle, last per shot or one frame per shot would be enough. So let's take a look at the JPN sequence. As you can see, you have two characters. It is an outside environment with a varying degrees of sunshine. Your task would be to choose two shots from these clips, set up template, light rig, and slab comps, and render one frame or first, middle, last frame per shot, and present your first pass lighting pass and a beauty lighting pass. We will discuss your results in the next mentor session, and I will give you feedback on your lighting so you get a feeling how it is in a real world situation when you present your shots for lighting comments to the supervisor. For the data, if you look in the onset folder, you can find the JPN HRIs in the folder JPN, and the plates and reference plates are also in the download package in the JPN folder as well. There are 4 shots to choose from, and you can choose any 2 of those to work on.